सरकारान सांगलेलें की ह्या पंचायत निवडणुकीत तुमची पंचायत आमी दूर करतले, पण ती दूर करूंक ना.
Because we felt the need, judging it from the percentage wise, we wanted to give real justice. As you know, there was, due to paucity of time, we could not hurry, but we have done it in such a way that we have given real good justice to the SC community. And if people are grudging even that, why they did not know when they were in power? They never did anything. At least we gave this much of reservation.
आमची सरकाराक परत एकदा काँग्रेस पक्षाची कळकळीचे विनंती आसा, आमचे प्रभाग निदान 35 तरी मेळपाक जाय संपूर्ण गोव्यात. जे 6 ते 9 दिल्या 35 तरी प्रभाग आमच्या समाजाच्या लोकसंख्ये प्रमाणे मेळपाक जाय.
It is their job to ask as an opposition. Now they are shouting on top of their voices because they know something good has happened, a good beginning has been made. That is the whole idea.
What about SC, ST and OSC, OBC?
That has been done according to the percentage of the population.
Not yet been, because the State Election Commission.
In fact, I will tell you, my director Panchayat and on the entire directorate of Panchayat has done a fantastic job in the very limited time that was available. Don't forget, there were assembly elections which took place just prior to the Panchayat election. Otherwise, we would have done things even faster.
The State Election Commission is waiting for your approval or notification.
It will go to them very soon.
By when, sir?
In a day or two.
Okay.
We are trying to send it as soon as possible.